Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome to the vlog. Happy Thanksgiving, or I guess by the time you're watching this it's after Thanksgiving, but I hope you had a really happy Thanksgiving with family and friends. So it is Thursday, duh, but today we are going to go have Thanksgiving at a friend's house and we're gonna go do Black Friday tonight. And if you've been around my channel for more than a year, you may realize that Black Friday vlogs are one of my favorites. It's just really fun. My mom and I love to go out when it's late and go kind of crazy and just have fun. Sometimes we go out to eat at night and it's just kind of a fun, I don't know, it's more about the experience than what we buy. However, that being said, we still always like to get the papers and we like to look at the physical ads because that's how we know what to buy. That's how we find the deals. So my mom just ran out and I was sitting with the dogs. And so while I'm at home in my pajamas, my mom went and got us a Statesman so we can go through the ads. Also, like, support local journalism, but the paper is $5. Man, but in this paper is all the ads, and so we like to sit and we like exchange ads and we go through them together. Look at the dogs. They're so sweet. This is Roxy. She's my old girl. This is Sadie. Sadie, look. Yeah, so we are watching the parade. We're gonna leave in like an hour and a half, and what we realized is we're going to do lunch around like 2, but we're like, there's probably not gonna be a lot of time to look at the ads later, so we're gonna sit and look at the ads now. I just got dressed. I'm wearing this pink kind of comfy shirt I got from Urban Outfitters and some jeans. When I go out today, I'm gonna put on a different sweater and gonna put on my makeup, do some stuff. Y'all, Glossier was recently in Austin. I guess they're technically here now. Glossier did like a pop-up in Austin, Texas, and so I went and I got this really pretty eyeliner, and it's called Pretty Penny, and so it's like a coppery color, and I haven't used it yet. My friend Claudia, who works there, put it on my face when I was in the store, but I'm about to put it on for the first time, so I'm excited about that. I'm just rambling today, but if y'all are new here, be sure to subscribe down below. I've been like kind of on a break this semester. I never really addressed it publicly, and that's something I kind of want to talk about soon, is just what I've been dealing with. And I think that like if I sit and talk honestly, I think that that could maybe be helpful for some of y'all. But yeah, I hope y'all have been doing well. I'm really excited to be posting vlogs again. Next week is like my finals week. My finals are all like just in-class exams basically, so I've been studying during this break actually, and so today I'm not studying, bless up, but I'm taking a break from studying today. I'm just gonna be like with friends, family, shopping, all the important things in life. Y'all, it is like 11 in the morning and I'm already eating Cheez-Its. It's got to stop. I'm sorry this is embarrassing, but I'm telling you, it's bad. I love Cheez-Its so much right now. This is the good stuff. We're gonna take all of this. We are gonna go through all of it. There may be more. This is the pile of catalogs. We've both gone through them. These are the ones no one's looked at. That one she's looked at. Okay, Target ones and Walmart ones are always so good, so I'm excited to flip through this one. And what I've been doing is when I find something I like, I circle it and then I turn down the page. It's almost lunchtime. This means I need to flip through the catalogs faster. Santa! This is how I'm trying to be. Roxy! Look at her all wrapped up. Can I show? Sadie. Okay, so now it's time for me to put on my makeup and get ready to go. I look so washed out in this light. It's kind of weird being in college because I take pretty much the majority of my makeup with me, especially this summer. I did like a big purge and I threw away a lot of really old makeup, which is good because makeup has expiration dates. Like, you shouldn't keep it forever. But I don't have everything here, but I'm gonna try my Glossier and I'm really excited. I'll be showing y'all that when I put it on. We're about to leave for Thanksgiving lunch, but I just wanted to show you my finished makeup look. I put on the Glossier eyeliner, and I don't ever do eyeliner, so this is like my best attempt. But yeah, I have on this rainbow sweater that I wore in an Instapic, and I'm just excited. I'm gonna probably pause the vlog for a hot second. Yeah, see you guys later. Hey guys, back from Thanksgiving lunch. We're about, oh, look, it's Roxy. We're about to go leave now to go shopping. I'm fully prepared to spend more money on makeup than necessary. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love makeup and I never buy makeup, but Black Friday is when I let myself do it because usually I have some money saved for my birthday the couple weeks before, and then a lot of times it's just like so much more affordable to like really nice brands, and so I would rather buy things. And it's a great way to try things too, like if you know like, oh, I really want to try Benefit or the Naked palettes or like whatever, like usually you can get it for like 30 to 50% off, which to me it's like, I feel like it's much better to do that, or like they'll sell smaller sizes at lower prices, which I think is so nice. Hello, Black Friday update. I've been being a bad vlogger who's not getting b-roll. So, things we've done tonight. We went to Ulta, most successful stop of the night. My favorite thing to buy at Ulta on Black Friday is Benefit does these different bundles, and they're a little pricey, but usually you're getting at least 50% off the makeup as a whole. So I buy my Benefit because it's like a lot of my staples, and then I use it for like the whole year. So we went to Ulta. So then we went to Macy's, and I really thought I wanted some makeup things at Macy's, but once I got in, I realized the Benefit stuff really was what I wanted. Then where else did we go?
So you benefited from Benefit.
She's so funny.
Walmart.
Yeah, we went to Walmart. Just walked in Old Navy, didn't get anything. Oh, at Walmart, she just got some things she needed. Because we're like, hey, we're out. Oh my gosh, we're about to go to Best Buy. Not even because we want anything at Best Buy. We're just going to say hi to some of our friends who work there. You know.
Because it's fun to stare at people who want things.
Okay, it is so chaotic.
And chaos is just cute sometimes.
Okay, I gotta say, when you're in the middle of all this and like you're not the one struggling, yeah, it's interesting to watch. Good people watching. I'm also, one of the big things I'm trying to shop for my Secret Santas, because when I go back next week for finals, the last thing I'm gonna want to be doing is like running errands, picking up Secret Santa gifts. So I've been getting a few things tonight, which is exciting. And now we're gonna head into Best Buy. We're at Walmart. We're gonna look for my skincare fridge. Something bad is happening. Love that we're walking in when the police are...
This will be safe. The police are here.
Yeah, there you go.
Success.
What are you doing? Hello. We're at a stoplight. We're going into Target now. As you saw, I got my skincare fridge, which is exciting. The weather tonight is very gross out, but we're having a good time.
Marginal gross.
Yeah.
Could be worse.
It's very foggy, which is strange, but
Mama used to call it pea soup.
Ew.
I don't know why.
Oh my goodness. But what do we even want here?
My slippers.
Oh, Mom wants to get some slippers here, so we're gonna look and see if her slippers are here. Tonight hasn't been that crowded or crazy. I think every year that stores do this, they get it more under control, but we like the crazy. Best Buy was kind of wild. I wouldn't have wanted to stay in there.
Best Buy was wild.
Yeah. People and their TVs, man. But yeah, I really want to eat some junk food right now. I want pizza. It's fine. But we're gonna go look in here, and I feel like we're kind of wrapping up our night in the next few stops. It's only 9:46. I know. It's too early for it to be Black Friday. Okay, so we were on our way home. We were gonna stop by like another Five Below to see if they had a different selection, but I forgot that I did not buy the Naked 3 palette. I don't know why, but that palette in particular.
Oh no!
Quite a catastrophe. Very, very not good. But I had wanted to get it because it is half off, which is a really good deal, and I think I'm gonna start wearing makeup again. I don't know if y'all can tell, but yeah, I don't know. I just had stopped wearing makeup this year, and I realized I really enjoy wearing makeup and putting it on and everything, and so I thought it would be really fun to get these pretty trees over here. I want my yard to look like that. Yeah, I love that.
Okay.
And then
yes,
Ulta. I actually decided not to buy the Naked 3 palette because when I went inside, I looked at it. It's like very rosy hues, and I don't know. I just didn't think it would be one I would wear as much as I would hope. So I'm trying to be good, and I decided not to buy it. So we are headed home now. We're done with our shopping trips for the night. Hello, we're back home. It's time for our Black Friday haul. I realized that the clips are like chaotic. The clips of like me going places are kind of chaotic. And I say, oh, I'm gonna buy this, and then I go to the store and I'm like, huh, not cute. And I don't buy it. So I want to show you what I ended up getting. Are you just walking through my clip? You want to say hi? Hi. Okay, cool. So first stop is Ulta. And I went there twice. And yes, I thought I was gonna buy the Naked 2 palette, or 3 palette. And no, I did not buy the Naked 3 palette because I'm wishy-washy. But yeah, I probably could have bought more things, but basically I am really trying this year to be like, I don't know, when I buy things, I want to actually want them. That's the goal. I think I mentioned this, but what I love to do is buy the benefit bundles, and every year they come up with like the cutest packaging. So this year they're all these little campers. I could not decide. They range from like usually like $30 to $50, which I know is expensive, but when you look at the price of benefit products, it's pretty reasonable. So this size has it shows you on the back what it's got. This one has a full-size Hoola bronzer, a gimme brow, and a full-size roller lash in the smaller one. I'm almost out of Hoola bronzer, which lasts forever, so I was like, I need Hoola. But then this one I really liked. It has their Real mascara in a full size. They have High Beam in like a mini size, a full size Professional primer, and then it's got a full size Gimme Brow. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I almost thought about maybe buying one for myself, and then maybe one could be like for my grandmother because she's always wondering what to get me. So that's what I got from Ulta. Then I went to a couple other stores. I went to Old Navy, Five Below, Target, and I bought some things for my friends for Christmas and for my Secret Santas, so you can't see those because I don't want to risk them seeing it. But one thing we're doing through our church, we had to buy something for a little girl, and we got these cute little earrings. Now I'm going to show you the thing. It's actually my tripod right now. I'm going to show you my mini fridge. I'm so excited. I don't know how I'm going to do the camera because I did not bring my tripod home. Y'all, this is the world's worst tripod. But let me show you what I got. I got a little mini fridge. I don't know if y'all have seen the trend of all the cute skincare fridges, but basically I have been wanting one ever since I saw this. However, I don't have room on either of my counters at college or at home for a skincare fridge. And something I realized is I actually don't have a fridge in my room this year because I just thought it would take up too much space. But I was like, this might actually be good for if I have like a bottle of Topo Chico, or I wanted to put like one thing of leftovers in. I am not 100% positive if I'm going to keep this or not, but this is normally, I believe, $40 or $45, and it was marked down to $20. So I thought, if I'm ever gonna get it, today's the day to get it. So I got it, and TBD on whether or not I'm keeping it. I will keep y'all posted, but let me know in the comments. Do y'all know about skincare fridges? Like, what do you think? So you take out, this holds 6 soda cans, but yeah. People will put like their little masks in here, or like I get a bunch from Lush, and Lush products are so natural that it's supposed to prevent them from going bad. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this like kind of crazy vlog. I always love going out and doing this and sharing this with y'all. I hope you had a very happy Thanksgiving with your family. I know I did. It was a good day. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what kinds of videos you want to be watching. It's almost the holidays, so it's very exciting. If you enjoyed this, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!